So collectively, all of our buses drive about 20 million miles a school year. So with that in mind, safety and the quality of work that we do on these buses is paramount. We do maintenance at 5 shops. So during the daily checks, our fuel truck drivers, they are fueling the buses and they're checking the oil, they're checking coolant for any leaks. They also check the tread on the tires. And then on our monthly checks, they're checking the brakes, they're checking the slack adjusters, the steering components, making sure there's enough material left on the brake pads. Going through, make sure the safety equipment's updated on the buses, spill kits, first aid kits. So in addition to the state requirements, we also perform as supervisors weekly audits on buses. We know how important the job is, and so we're fully committed to keeping the buses safe, and we treat them like our own kids are on these buses. The best thing about my job is I know the kids are getting to school safe, and that everyone that is in or around the bus can feel comfortable and confident in what we do.